Say goodbye to fingerprints on glass. Fingerprints can be a real nuisance, whether on windows, mirrors, or other glass surfaces. This trick will help you forget about stubborn smudges. Start by preparing a container of water. It's where you'll mix your solution. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, followed by 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Then, add a dash of fabric softener. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and pour the solution into a spray bottle. Make sure to use a bottle with a sprayer. Grab a kitchen sponge and a cloth. Spray the solution on the areas with fingerprints. Use the soft side of the sponge to gently clean the glass surface and remove any grime. Then, polish the surface with the cloth. This spray is also perfect for cleaning other glass or mirrored surfaces. Stubborn marks will disappear, and what's more, they won't come back. Cleaning will never feel like wasted effort again.